Hip hip, hooray! We're ready for drum roll. Listen up. 670 subscriber. And guess what? American, Jamaican, and all countries were in the United States. You push me over the top. And Jamaicans are yard. Uno do it too. I reach 1,000 watch hours, but I just need 2,000 more to start monetize. So I need your help a little more. Please come out for me now. Wanna come out some more now and push up the thing. Yes, good news, good achievement. So I'm happy that you did it. And all those countries, you help me so much. I'm not speculating, but I have 10 countries where give me them view proper, them up there. The countries, you say I like India, yeah man, then watch me enough. I'm gonna count 1 to 10. Yes, I'm trying to load up my computer. I'm glad for the support. I thank every one of you where I watch. Yeah, man. United States of America, I love you. Especially the New Yorkers, them. 66,017 people view me just in America, yeah. America in the Merrimack, yeah. Yeah, man, America love me. Yes, Jamaican phone views up there, you know. Phone views are 5,792. Me get 5.5% of watch time from uno Jamaican. A yard, me thank you know. But the American give me 62.4% what I watch time. Yeah, man, I American, them a do it. And them a push me over the top. You see, with United Kingdom, I get 3,002 views from United Kingdom. Them in the 3%. Come, present roll call, Canada, 2,324 views. Canada, in the 2%. India, 2,654 views. In the 2.5%. India, hope there. India, you in the top 5 in India. India, I thank you. South Africa, yeah man, 1,110. In the 1.1%. Trinidad and Tobago, in the 1.1%. Trinidad, Tobago, 500 views from uno, 555 views from uno. The Philippines, yes, 1,191 views from the Philippines. Thank you, my Filipino friends, you know. Don't joke with me. But Bahamian, 130 views. Nigerian, in the 0.5%. 535 views. Australia, big up on yourself. 366 viewers from Australia. Guyana, 146 views. Kenya, 343. Dominica, yes, 36 view. Even 1 view, I still love you. Germany, don't joke with Germany. 200 And 51 views from Germany. Germany. Hello, Germany. Uzbekistan. Yeah. 141 views. Guyana. Ghana. 182 viewers. Indonesia. 203. Vietnam. 145 views. Pakistan. Yes. Yeah, come over the West Indies. Come over there, come play cricket. Yeah. 91 views. Chile. 54 views. Brazil. 89. Italy. 157. Netherlands. 104. Grenada. 11. Mexico. Mexicano. 181. France. 97. Ireland. 15. St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Hello. 22. Russia. 104. I get a lot of views from Russia. I don't joke with them. New Zealand. Yes, I come in for cheese. 33 viewers over New Zealand. Malaysia. 72. Saudi Arabia. 34. Argentina. 66. Japan. Yes, Shang. Yes, Japan. 65. Uganda. 48. Ethiopia. 36. St. Lucia. 27. Senegal. 62. Sri Lanka. Playing cricket. 45. Colombia. 45. Dominican Republic. 39. Papua New Guinea. 21. U.S. Virgin Island. 14. I can't call this a country. K-A-Z. Kaz. A-K. Kyrgyzstan. And Côte d'Ivoire. It's French. Côte d'Ivoire. Country. Kazahstan. 21 viewers. I salute you. And Côte d'Ivoire, I salute you too. Moldova, I salute you. Those are the countries that I did not know. But guess what? With this Jamaican girl on the map, yes, I get to know your country. I would like to know a little bit about your country. Côte d'Ivoire and Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. Look here. I'm thanking you for your views. I'm thanking you for the support. And I'm sending love back to you today. Tonight, I'm sending love your way. Thank you for helping me. Your little much counts to reach this milestone. And this platform, I'm not asking. It is going to go far. And I will still remember that you was the one who held my hands to reach this mark. I will not forget your country. I will not forget Spanish Town, St. Catherine. I will not forget Portmore, St. Catherine. And I will not forget Montego Bay. I know there are people in Linstead, St. Catherine, teachers. I thank you for the love and the support. From Fairfield, I thank you. Thank you so much for the love and the support that you have shown and that you have given me. Nurses, you know my love, you know. Yeah, my love, you know. Sometimes when I pass, I see people watching my video. Yes. Good night and thank you all. Please subscribe. Please continue to share. America, USA, New York. And New York, I don't do it, you know. New York and Americans. And everybody will live in America. Just continue to show the support. You're going to get me to the 3,000 watch hour. Thank you so much.